Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Hari and I'll bring you the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 6,358 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 75,456. As of yesterday, 142.47 crore vaccine was given. In Mumbai, the number of cases surged to 1,377 yesterday. Total number of Omicron cases all over India is now 653. Out of these, 156 is recovered. Maximum number of cases are in Delhi, 142 numbers, followed by Maharashtra, 141, Kerala, 57, Gujarat, 49, and Rajasthan, 43. 11,500 flights were cancelled worldwide since Friday in view of the surge in COVID 19 cases. The Indian government cleared two more vaccines, Corbevax and Covax, and one antiviral drug to boost fight against the COVID 19 pandemic. Health Ministry has made clear that people above the age of 60 years with comorbidities will not be required to upload or give any doctor certificate for the booster for the precautionary dose of COVID. However, they may consult doctor before taking the vaccine. Besides, personnel deployed for the election duty will be considered as frontline workers and will be eligible for precautionary dose 9 months after the second dose. Center estimate 7.4 crore children in the age group of 15 to 18, out of which UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, West Bengal, and Madhya Pradesh account for the maximum number of children in the age group of 15 to 18. Also, center projects 2.75 crore people above the age of 60 who are eligible for the precautionary dose. 15 job opening for the peons, drivers, and watchmen in Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. So nearly 11,000 unemployed people flocking the city on Sunday and Saturday, not just from the state but from the neighboring state also. Though the qualification required for the job is 10 plus, number of applicants were graduate, postgraduate, MBAs, and those who were aspiring for civil judge application also. This shows that unemployment rate in India is very high. In UP, election rallies of Congress, BJP or any other party visuals show that people are packed together without any social distancing and very few people are wearing the mask. Indian stock market rebounded yesterday and BSE Sensex closed 477 points above the previous day closed and closed at 57,897 points. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.